All right, so got a PS Vita on eBay. Look at those. Those are nice looking. I think the whole middle of the port's broken. So let's take it apart. So I've watched a couple videos, but I've never taken one of these apart. I used to own a PSP. That's about as close to one of these as I've been. What would be really cool is if I can get it to work. Oh yeah, and nothing, it won't turn on, obviously. Nothing. I'll put the listing up so you can see what eBay said. Nice. Piece is falling off already. That was scary. I think the battery's probably fine. It doesn't look swollen or anything. Dang, dirty. All right. So we gotta get this out. So there's like a crumb in here. I guess we'll just take stuff apart. Motherboard screws kind of look like they're blue. Oh, here's a pink one. I hope the pink doesn't mean water damage. It doesn't look like anything's water damage. How is this thing supposed to unhook? Don't yell at me for metal. Is that a lock? Let's see. I think if anything, the black part would. Oh, yeah. Nice. Look at that. Oh, and there's the screw that's holding it in. Put that up there. Oh, sweet. That little thing fell off. That's always cool. Ah, there is a screw behind the camera. Thought I broke it. That wouldn't have taken long. There we go. There's like a fatty cable you got to disconnect on the other side. How in the heck am I supposed to do that? So I do have to take this board out at like the same time. Let's see. That like that. And move it out of the way so I don't destroy it. And there it is. Whoa. So we gotta take this off. All right. I hope the chip I bought is the right one because it sure looks different now that I'm looking at it here. Oh, because it's this one. All right. Well, shall we? See if we can get it done, I guess. There we go. Woo! Holy cow. That did not want to come off of there.
Yo, let's go! Let's go!